Today we're going to show you a one-pot dish. Really easy to make for cold winter days. So it's vegan, nutritious and
delicious.
Let's get started.
Start by coarsely chopping an onion. Chop a sweet pepper into small pieces. Grate some red cabbage. Cut an apple into small pieces. Cut a couple of carrots into roundels. In Swiss German we would say rugelli. Place green lentils into a big pot, pour water into it and add the onions. Also add the rest of the veggies and the apple. Have some small tomatoes. Coarsely chop 2 garlic cloves. Add them to the pot, as well as some frozen peas. Mix everything and bring it to a boil. Season it with oregano, basil, thyme, curry and ground black pepper. Stir it well, and once it boils, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Sprinkle it with a few coarsely chopped walnuts.
As we say in Switzerland, Guetä!